dear friends, nowadays we are celebrating many festivals like Navratri, Dasra, after that Diwali. In this festive season, we used to decorate our home. We are going to learn how to make beautiful toran at home with the help of different material. So let's do. For this activity, we want one origami sheet. Any color you can take of your choice. We want 3 paper. First we will use only one paper. Green color paper size is mentioned 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter and Fevicol, scissor. Okay. First of all, to make flower, we will divide this page into 4 equal parts. For that, we will first fold this below portion to the above portion. This is our first fold. Press this below portion properly, then open the paper, and this right side portion we have to fold till the left side portion. Again you have to open it. On your origami paper there should be a plus sign. Okay, so now this plus sign is dividing this page into 4 equal parts. Now we are going to cut this with the help of scissor. You can cut where you have done the folding. So we got 4 equal squares. Within this one paper we can make 4 flowers. Okay, so first I will teach you how to make flower. Remaining flowers you can do afterward. Hold your small square in diamond shape. Diamond shape is having 4 corners, up and down, left and right. First step is to fold this down corner till the above corner. While doing this step, you are not going to move your paper at all. Always your one finger should be there on the paper. We got triangle shape. Now triangle is having 3 corners, left, right and up. Now this right portion, without moving the paper, we will touch to this left corner. See, I have not changed the position at all. It is looking. Now the third step is this above portion we are going to touch to this left side corner without moving the paper. Okay, this is the last step and very important step. Okay, now keep your paper down, take the pencil in your hand. I am using sketch pen. If I will draw with pencil, it may not visible to you. Now from this above point we are going to draw one C over here. We have to draw C from this above portion. Now how we have drawn the C, in the same way we are going to cut it. You have to draw with pencil itself. And when you will open this, you will get all the petals equal. See, in this way you have to complete all the remaining flowers also. Now let's learn how to make leaves. To make leaves, first we have to use 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter green color paper. You have to keep your paper in diamond position. Again diamond is having 4 corners. So the same process for the first folding. This below portion you have to touch to this above portion. Then press it properly and divide this diamond shape into 2 equal parts. You have to cut here where you have done the folding. Then you will get 2 equal triangles. One triangle we will use to make one leaf. So another triangle we will keep it aside. Now see the position of the triangle. The line is below side and the point is the above side. We have to make fan folds with this paper. Always while doing the fan folds you have to keep your paper down and then do it. Fan fold means what? You have to fold this shape into strips. One fold should be from the above side of the paper and another fold should be behind. In this way till the end of the paper you will complete this fan fold. See, first step I am showing you here. From this below side I have folded. Now I will flip the paper. एक फोल्ड आगे से करना है, एक फोल्ड पीछे से करना है. In this way you will complete the fan folds. Till the end of the corner you will do all the fan folds. Okay, now see, these both the corners you have to join together. How you will join it? For that purpose, first you have to fold it in the middle. Okay, and half of the side you have to apply the glue, and remaining half portion you will keep it on that. After that you have to press it properly, then you will get nice 3D shaped leaves. See, in this way you will complete all the leaves together. Children, our flowers and leaves are ready. In this flower I have cut one small circle with different color and I have pasted it in the middle. I am going to take one strip. This strip I have cut 5 cm is height and the length is as per your door size. Okay, I am going to arrange these flowers and leaves on this strip. Instead of this strip, you can use old planner, old magazine. You can apply old golden paper on that and you can use that. With the help of Fevicol, I am going to stick it. See children, with the help of Fevicol, I have pasted all the flowers and leaves according to the size of the door. So let's welcome Goddess Lakshmi in this Navratri festival with your own creativity. Thank you, dear children.